Assalamualaikum. In the beginning name of Allah, most mighty and most merciful. Welcome back to my channel, CodewithSR. In this channel, you are going to learn all of the coding tutorials and many more. So welcome back. So in this video, you are going to learn what is HTML and what are their rules and regulations, and where we can write HTML and how the HTML does work. So today is the introduction, and tomorrow we are going to learn where we have to do it. So today I am going to tell you the introduction. So I will ask a question that the video is going to be English or Urdu? English. So the video is going to be in English. So let's start our video. So here, as you can see, I had created a folder and add some properties of icons, and my folder is looking like this, as you can see. Now I am going to open it. There we go. So I have a folder here. I have a file here. The full form of HTML and many more. So I am going to save it in my HTML folder. In it, I will create a new folder. And write here txt, and then I am going to open it and save at HTML like this. Now if I see, so there is a text and in it there is a document. So now I am going to tell you what is HTML. So I am going to do it first of all like this, and I am going to open Paint. Wait, let me open it. Like this. And now I will click here and do it like this. Now, what is hypertext markup language? The full form of HTML is hypertext markup language. Wait, let me add here some. There we go, shapes. Okay. Now I am going to tell you that what is means of HTML. Basically, HTML means hypertext markup language. The full form of HTML is hypertext markup language. Now I am going to raise it, and I am going to tell you that why HTML is used. The properties of HTML. Why we use HTML? So HTML is made by tags. Markup tags. Markup tags means, for example, this is a page. Wait, I am going to raise it and add a line here back. There is a box, like we can say it a house. Okay, declare it as a house. There is a door here and there is a window here. So we had used here some bricks to build it, or the wood, we can say, like some wood and some bricks. Okay, like there is wood, bricks, and after all of it, we have here an example of our house. So after making a structure, a box, a designing box, a window box, a whole box, we got the house. So the things we got, like bricks, we got the bricks, we got the wood. These are called markup tags. In HTML, we say them markup tags, but when we are making house, we will say them the things need for building a house. Now used as a structure. Now we have to declare that it is used as a structure. So first of all, as you can see here, wait, let me go here. I will do it like this and this. Now I am going to tell you an example of it. Here now I have an example of a box, a house again. I will build here an house with and door and window. So here is a house with window and doors. Now I will say that it is a markup text. Okay. So first of all, building a beautiful house, we need a thing. Does they are the blocks? Yes, we need them. Are they woods? Yes, we use them. But we said that these things are called markup. Okay, but I am going to say you that before making the house, we need these things to use like a structure of it. Like I have basically a house, which first of all I had put 4 pillars to have the top stable. So they will go the stable top, and then when I remove the other wait, let me build some more. Other rough pillars, if I remove them, so we will got mainly 4 pillars. So you know that even a house or a building cannot stable by only of 4 pillars. So we need first of all 8 to 10 pillars, and then after it will be like hard, so it will be able to take the weight of the surface. There we go. Now we have known that. So now let us know that why we use HTML. There are many reasons of that, and why we are going to use HTML and what will be happen. HTML is the most important part of web development. If you want to become a web development, a software engineer, you have to know the structure. If you are creating website, like you can say that it is a website. Wait, let me have here books. Example is that it is a website. So now you need this website a structure. Yes, we need a structure. Do you need a line? Some pillars. Yes, we need some pillars. We need some markup text. Like we need some bricks, some wood. Yes, we need it. So we need them. That's why we use HTML. We need these all things to build a website. This is the full form of HTML. So here I am going to tell you one more example of HTML. That is a car. How? Let me explain you. The car got a window. The car got an engine. The car got a spoiler. The car got some lights. The car got many more things. The car is completed. But have you noticed that for adding these all things, we need one more thing? If you don't notice, I will tell you. That was the surface of the tires, surface of the car, main engine where the main engine is put it and many more things is put it is known as the surface, as the structure of our what? HTML. So that was the full form of HTML. If you have learned what is HTML and how that works, you have to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I am going to meet you in my next video with the other content of HTML in which we are going to use where we have to write HTML. I will meet you in the next video.